Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. Glad to see you all on this moment. To initiate this conference, we would like to start by welcoming Mrs. Endang Sugiyarti, SEMCom, from Universitas Negeri Semarang, Indonesia. With a heart full of happiness and gratitude, I stand before you as a Master of Ceremony Infotech Submit, welcoming to you on this special occasion. We would like to express our gratitude to the guests of honors this morning for being present of this special occasion that is Infotech Summit entitled Advancing Online Education Through Web Innovation, which is jointly organized by Faculty of Mathematics and Natural Science, Universitas Negeri Semarang, Computer Science Society, Association of Computer Science Higher Education, and Association for Computer Mastery. Ladies and gentlemen, as we commence this special opening ceremony, let us take a moment to outline the series of activities that await us throughout the day. First, we will sing the Indonesia National Anthem. Second, we will have a praying. Third, we will have a welcoming speech delivered by Mrs. Endang Sugiyarti, SEMCom. Fourth, our main event will be presentation of a paper titled Web-Based Stat Development. And finally, we will reach the closing ceremony. Ladies and gentlemen, the sooner the better. We will enter our first agenda, singing the national anthem of Indonesia, Indonesia Raya. All of the audience are expected to raise up together. Attendants, please be seated. Next, our agenda we will engage a moment of prayer, seeking blessing and guidance as we embark on this intellectual journey. Let us join together in reflection and gratitude, seeing the divine wisdom to inspire and guide our deliberation. Praying, begin. Praying enough? Thank you for joining in this moment of prayer. Next, our welcoming speech will be from the organizing committee of this conference, Mrs. Endang Sugiyarti, SEMCom. We will have the privilege to listening to a welcoming speech delivered by Mrs. Endang Sugiyarti, SEMCom. Her expertise and invaluable insight will be undoubtedly set the tone for this conference, providing us with a profound understanding of the significant and advancing online education through web innovation. Mrs. Endang Sugiyarti, SEMCom, the floor is yours. Thank you very much. It was a delightful welcoming speech from Mrs. Endang Sugiyarti, SEMCom. Ladies and gentlemen, next is our main event will be presentation of a paper titled Web-Based Stat Development for our main agenda. I fully leave it to the moderator of the presentation, Doni Bedaya. Doni Bedaya, the floor is yours.
Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. In this very special occasion, I stand before you today as the moderator of this esteemed international conference. My name is Duni Benedinova, and I have the honor of guiding the discussion and facilitating the exchange of ideas during this momentous event. Throughout the conference, I will strive to ensure that each session remains focused, informative, and inspiring. I will encourage active participation from all attendees, inviting questions, insight, and critical analysis that will enrich our discussion. It is my duty to create an inclusive and welcoming environment where ideas can flourish and where we can collectively tackle the challenge and seize the opportunity that lie ahead. I would like to introduce the speaker to you. Her name is Zenia Kumala. She is from Semarang and a student at University of Semarang. Xenia like a present his paper on web-based estate development. Xenia Kumala, the floor is yours.
Thank you, moderator. Good morning, everyone. My name is Zenia Kumala, and I would like to thank you for this opportunity to present my paper web-based e-statement development. In this presentation, I will discuss important concepts related to the development of the estate system with four main topics, namely data flow diagrams or DFD, entity relationship diagrams or ERD, system implementation, and database schemes. In addition, I will also show some features and example of web pages from the implement eStart system. Without further ado, let's delve into the details. Web-based estate development. Superiority. As a platform for various types of system information, the public can access information accurately and carry out self-learning to the system, make the communication process better compared to traditional communication, can utilize technology that exists so that content can be accessed regardless of distance. Method. The ETEX development process is carried out using the SDLC System Development Life Cycle. SDLC is the process of designing, developing, and implementing application database. This process is better known as the waterfall model. System design. The SEBY designs can be described by data flow, data flow diagram or DFD, entity relationship diagram or ERD. Data flow, data flow diagram or DFD. DFD is graphical technique that describes flow information that is applied as data moves from input to output to present a system or software on its abstraction level. Entity relationship diagram or ERD. ERD is used to model data structure and relationship between data. In, in ERD relationship can consist of a number of entities scaled with the degree of relation. The degree of maximum relation is called cardinality, while the minimum degree is called modality. So the cardinality of the relation shows the maximum number of entities that can be related to the entity on another entity set. The cardinality of the relationship that occurs between the two entities set can be one-to-one, one-to-many, and many-to-many. Database schema. Estate database schema adapts to ERD estate. Number of tables on the schema of the estate database is equal to the number of entities in the ERD estates. The estates web. The estate web page consists of the estate main page, article page as shown in figure 1 contain various article statistics The journal pack as shown in Figure 2 contains various journals regarding statistics. The material pack as shown in Figure 2 contains statistic material. On the statistic material page, only members can download the material by filling out the registration form like shown in Figure 4. Figure 1 is stats article page. Figure 2 is stat journal page. Figure 3 is stat content page and Figure 4 is stat member login form. Conclusion. System design using DFD make it easier for developers to understand the flow of the system load. Making ERD makes it easy to understand the relationship between data with using entity diagrams, making it easier for analysts to design database schema. With database schema, design makes it easy for developers designing detailed tables in MySQL database and displaying web pages information about article, journal, and statistical material. Material file type statistic can be uploaded in more than one file type, for example PDF and PPT. Thank you.
Thank you, Zinia Kumala, for this insightful presentation on web-based state development. Now we will move on to the session of question and answer. Before you ask question or give a comment, please raise your hand. Mention your name and your institution. For the first session, I would like to give the opportunity to one people. Yes, please. The gentleman on the left. Thank you, Sukandi, for your question. Now let's hear answer from Zenia Kumala. Zenia Kumala, the floor is yours.
I will answer the question about what the advantages and benefits of developing a learning with the implementation of the stat system are. Users will get high accessibility and flexibility for users to access statistical materials and relate information anytime and anywhere. Increase the efficiency and effectiveness of learning statistics with the support of data visualization and analysis provided by the stat system. Simplify the management and use of various types statistical material files such as PDF and PPT. Provide more diverse facilities for the development of e-learning in various fields of science both at schools and universities.
Ladies and gentlemen, that was the presentation from Zenia Kumala on web-based state development. Before closing, let's listen the conclusion. In this study, it was found that making system design using DFD and ERD, as well as database schema design, make it easier for developers to understand system flow, relationship between data, and design table in the database. The implemented web page displays information about article, journal, and statistical materials, with the ability to upload various file types such as PDF and PPT. The development of a learning with the implementation of the STAT system provides a number of advantages and benefits. User can access statistical material and related information flexibility and issue anywhere and anytime. The visualization and analysis of the data provided by the stat system increase the efficiency and effectiveness of learning statistics. Another benefit is easier management for various types of statistical material file as well as various facilities for the development of learning in various fields of science. Thank you, Zenia Kumala, for sharing your expertise and insight. Please join me in giving her a round of applause. Ladies and gentlemen, it is a heavy heart that addressed you today to announce my resignation as the moderator of this esteemed international conference. It has been incredible experience working with such talented individuals and witness the verification exchange of ideas. Thank you for your attention, and I hope our paths may cross again in the future. Thank you and goodbye.
Thank you very much for presenter and moderator. The passage of time has propelled out us to the closing of The passage of time has propelled us to the closing of what has been a memorable and significant occasion. To all the participants, thank you for your active participation and enthusiasm. Your presence has made this conference a vibrant and inspiring experience. We hope that the knowledge and insight gained here will inspire you to continue pushing the boundaries of innovation in the field of education. Before we conclude, I would like to extend my deepest gratitude to all the event organizer, volunteer, and staff member who have worked behind the scene to ensure the smooth running of this conference. Your dedication and commitment have not gone unnoticed. In closing, let us remember that the true essence of this conference lies in our collective effort to advance online education through web innovation. May the knowledge, the connection for here today continue to inspire us we strive for excellence in the realm of education. I humbly request your forgiveness if any unintended error or action on my part have caused offense or discomfort. It is utmost sincerely that I apologize for any shortcomings in my conduct or communication during our time together. Grateful for your understanding and magnanimity in accepting my apology. It is my sincere desire to foster a positive and inclusive atmosphere for all participants. Your forgiveness and continued support will be greatly appreciated. Once again, thank you for your participation and contribution. May peace, blessing, and success accompany your journey ahead. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.